We all need to feel secure, to be accepted and belong, and reach a certain level of social embeddedness. However, we also want to be individuals, to be who we really are, and achieve a level of autonomy. This is the paradox of security versus freedom. This paradox is something we all must confront if we want to truly be free and find a level of emotional freedom. Inside each of us, there's a divide. This divide is an internal emotional divide that separates us into two. There's who we learn to be as children and also through our life experiences. There's also who we need to be for ourselves. Perhaps we need to be the smartest person in a room or the prettiest. There's also who we have to be, perhaps to a boss or maybe to our life partners. This is who we are to the outside world, the false self. And deep within us, behind this faceplate, on the other side of the divide, there are strengths and attributes of who we really are on the inside. This is the true self. Since this is happening to each of us on an individual level, it's also happening on a collective level. It is in this way that the divide within us is also the divide between us. If the individual is divided, the collective will be divided. This is the foundation to the philosophy of one divide. The one emotional divide is something that we all have in common, and it's this one divide that prevents us from achieving a level of oneness, whether within our own selves or amongst us. It's also this one divide that truly prevents us from being able to connect with our own selves and each other. This one divide is the instigator to all human conflict. It's time to take responsibility, to acknowledge the divide within your own self, to be accountable for your own actions, your own emotions, and close the divide. This is ultimately the purpose to the philosophy of one divide, to be the solution. In the next video, we're going to explore the end result of the one divide, the concept of emotional warfare.